Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we have Happy Mail, and this Happy Mail is from Tanisha K. Tanisha K shares my love of blue, and I met her because we're both on YouTube, and honestly, it's been so long now, I can't remember the thing that first connected us. But I do remember that this woman made a Ferris wheel out of paper that actually moved, and it was amazing. And she sews. She makes gorgeous projects. So if you haven't checked out her channel, Tanisha K, she's also on Instagram. I'll link to her. And she's recently started becoming an influencer. She got me hooked on this Pete's hazelnut coffee, which, oh my gosh, I shouldn't even tell you about it because I don't want you to buy it all. But let's see what Tanisha sent me. And I'm telling you, I've got a bit of a junk food craving, and I bet my friend Tanisha's got me covered. So let's see. That's really why we're making this video right now, because I need a little sweet. Oh, look, so cheerful. So much cheer in a box. And Tanisha takes her blues very seriously. She's not even into teal. Like me, I'll compromise anything remotely blue. I kind of knew she was going to send this. And she said, if you see a barcode on something, scan it. So, not sure what that's about. Look, oh, she made these cool blue boxes and shared them. She's got another card. Oh my gosh. Look at that. She made it. That is too cool. Okay, so the QR code she's talking about. Oh my gosh. If you watch her channel, she got into some different types of things, the ink, and she made a mug. She did the outside of it, and I know I'm not describing it very well. This was her design, and then she has it here on packaging. Crafty mess. Crafting is expressive, relaxing, thought-provoking, fun, and a bit messy. You can start with one idea but end up somewhere completely unexpected. That's the excitement of it all. So gather your supplies and your initial thoughts and get a little messy. Beautiful creations often blossom from crafty messes. And she says, take a little time to get crafty. This says, take a little time to create a crafty mess. This is so cool. Tanisha, I just love it. Okay, so I'm going to scan the QR codes, but I film with my phone, so I won't be able to do that during the video. Oh my gosh, take a little time. It's a calendar for 2022. Wow, this is so cute. Happy New Year. Oh my gosh. You stinker. I see this. This is darling. You guys can't tell probably, but these are just inked up beautifully. Just really nicely done. And it looks like it's all drawn. Like, I mean, this does not look like photocopied and that kinds of craziness. It's, oh my gosh, look at this beautiful drawing and her colors. Wow. Okay, I'm going to go through all the months. You're not going to get to see them all. Love the purple one, too. Oh, my gosh. She's just got all kinds of stuff in here. Profile. Oh, Papermate, a blue pen, of course. See? This is Tanisha's blue. I mean, we agree on this big time. I know some of you prefer, like, the light blue, the baby blue, and other things, but we don't mess around. Okay, I'm not going to make you guys, like, hang in there with me and be super careful, but you know I am going to reuse this. Oh, no. Oh my gosh. Tanisha, you would not believe the day I was having, girl, and I was like, I'm going to go in the craft room and change my attitude. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is like my little bookmark, isn't it? Oh my gosh. It feels amazing. Tanisha talked about a product on her channel. I can't remember the name right now. I bet this is it. I bet this is it. Oh my gosh. Now, did I tell you she sews? Okay, she did not buy me this. Oh no. Oh no. She made it. I am in awe of you, Tanisha. I am going to sit around this evening and inspect every single bit of this. And I can see her videos here. And those of you who have been watching Joy of Blue or her channel with me, remember when she was making those cool tapes and doing all the gel printing? She's gotten into mixed media. This feels amazing and it's gorgeous. Hello, sweet friend. The border on it is ridiculous. I hope that when I make a journal for one of you and you receive it as a gift or purchase it, you are half as excited as I am about this bad boy. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just love it. Look at this. And the little paper clip with the flag. Oh my gosh. And there's a lot of mixed media. So there's all these cool textures and stuff that she's added. It's not just beautiful papers that she's purchased. Be happy. And when you have the mixed media, it just sounds wonderful, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. Friends make the world beautiful. I totally agree. Well, and girl, you make the world beautiful. That is awesome. Look, it's another one of those paper clips. Oh my God. I know some of you just don't feel the blue, and I don't know what to tell you. Because I do. Oh my gosh. I love it, Tanisha. I bet this is coffee dyed. That's what it looks like to me. Has really nice texture. Oh my gosh. So this is fabric that she has put paint on, like gel printed or something. Okay, this one, it's got to be embossed. Yeah, it's embossed, and then she inked up the texture of it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go through every bit of it, Tanisha, and I love it all. And as far as a video, you guys just aren't going to get to see everything because she just made too much good stuff. And some of this stuff, even if you see a video of it, for me to receive it and touch it in person, it's just so much more detail and so much more informative. The camera wouldn't have picked up, it did make me wonder about the texture, but this is all padded and nice, and she's got it so that, not that I would, but I could add things or change things. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, it's amazing, Tanisha. It is amazing. You are so sweet. And I've been thinking about you. You're on my mind for sure. What? Oh my gosh. Take a little time to do something crafty. So see, that's what she says. And then it's like she made her own cool logo. If you didn't see her gel printing, packing tape, Joy of Blue, just go watch all her Joy of Blue videos. How about that? If you haven't seen them. Oh my gosh, this is precious. Look at that. That paint is really nice. Tanisha, I love your stickers. Is it called indelible ink? I can't remember what she used on the For You. So cute. I can't remember what she used on the mug, but it was the first time I'd seen anything like it. And maybe the rest of you are just more in the know and cooler. See, I told you Tanisha would take care of me. Yeah. I might call that lunch. I don't know what you guys call it. Oh my gosh. That's fabulous, Tanisha. Thank you so much. Okay, now, she made these boxes. She decorated them and talked about pros and cons and how she liked them and didn't like them. And in looking at this one, I think she sent me her favorite one. There was another one that she wasn't as excited about, but maybe she finished this one out. But this is done with paint and a basic white box. You could get it and when you bought something, some of that junk you're recycling for the holidays. And then she just decorated the heck out of it without any fancy supplies. I'm not advocating that you steal craft or art supplies from your kids or grandkids, but I'm just saying it doesn't have to be fancy. This is so cool. And then she put my name across it. Obviously, I hadn't seen that and with the stars, but oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, let's see what she got in here. I don't want to scuff up the box. Oh, no. She's fancy. This will be something good. gosh. That is crazy, crazy cool. Oh my gosh. Tanisha, your talents are just out of this world. Look at that, you guys. And to have somebody make something that you know they were thinking of you. I mean, that's my thumbnail for my collab, right? But I mean, navy blue and stars and my name. Oh my gosh, Tanisha, I am so honored that you were thinking of me and putting this talent into projects for me. I'm just in awe of this. And my apologies if I didn't show. I want to use the QR code before I open this because I don't know, maybe I just want to like save it like this forever. It's adorable, but my apologies if I didn't show everything on video, but it's just all too much. Oh my gosh, I'm reading a note from her where she's apologizing because she meant for me to have this stuff at the holidays. And you do not need to. Oh my gosh. Tanisha made me a card like this once before that was just over the top and all blue. Look at this. This is an example of her work. The details in it. I'm just going to hold it so you can just look at it for a minute. I'm glad that I realized I had missed this before I turned off the camera. Look at that. Let's be honest. I would have faded out. Oh my gosh. It is amazing, Tanisha. Thank you so much. And I just really appreciate the positive energy that you guys send to me. And it's not about the gifts. And I really do appreciate the friends that we have made here. And especially the blue loving friends. I mean, it's just amazing. Thank you so much for thinking of me, Tanisha. So very sweet. I hope everyone is having a great day. And if you need a project this week, send somebody that you don't know very well a card. Doesn't have to be me. Pick somebody else and get to know them. Because Tanisha and I, without YouTube and putting ourselves out there, we wouldn't know each other. Thanks so much for watching and big hugs to Tanisha. Bye-bye.